And November 53
is Burbank. So that 119.3 is this tower here, and 118.7 is Burbank's tower.
That was a 538. Request a left crosswind departure with the tower. Contact SoCal departure.
So we got to go all the way down to the north end because the winds are, normally we take off from right here. So what else is on your bucket list?
Zip lining in Cabo.
I did zip lining in Big Bear.
I'll go there end of April for a week.
Okay.
I've already done rock climbing. Trying to get everything that I'm afraid of right now to get it out of the way.
Okay.
Heights has always been a big thing for me, but flying never seemed to bother me.
Yeah, I did zip lining. I haven't gone diving in a long time, though. Next month, we're taking a vacation for a week, and I'm going to Key West, and I hope to at least hoping to get 2 dives in. I'll be going there for about 4 days, so.
Now, my wife is an avid scuba diver, and she's been doing it for about 10 years.
Yeah, now I love it when I'm doing it, but I haven't done it in a couple of years because it's such a big deal, you know, because here it's cold, and I've been diving here maybe a dozen times, but it's just such a hassle as compared to a resort. The last, oh gosh, where was I? Went to the British Virgin Islands and did a couple dives there, and that was awesome. And boy, I guess I really have not gone scuba diving since, so actually for 5 or 6 years now.
She got hooked. She was down about 120 feet on one dive, and they had a tiger shark come up on them. And they've got a video with her running her hand from the tip of his nose all the way under his belly, all the way to the end of the tail.
Yeah.
Too much for me.
Yeah, I hope. Yeah, the good thing, I suspect that most divers now are ecologically minded, and they're not out there to kill everything.
Van Nuys ground, this is Skyhawk 64538 at Castle and Cook, ready to taxi.
I think sharks are hugely misunderstood.
64538, Van Nuys ground, runway 34 left, taxi via Alpha, Romeo.
Taxi via Alpha and Romeo 538.
Does the 538 need to reback to the runway assignment with the call sign place, runway 34 left, enter call sign.
That is a Boeing business jet. Basically, it's a privately owned 737. So somebody has some big bucks. Well, actually, any of these things, people have some big bucks. That's a T6 there, same as the Condor Squadron up on the north end. That's for sale. That would fit well in anybody's bucket list.
Yeah.
Like I said, I would so like to learn to fly a helicopter, but I'm afraid I would get hooked.
But we're going to take a cruise to Alaska. One of the things I want to do on that is take the helicopter out to a glacier.
Okay, quick check of the controls is what I'm doing here. And we're going to do a quick check of the engine, an engine run up. So, put that up to 1800 RPM. Okay. Okay. Heartbeat, that's okay. 3, 3, 5. let's see.
Runway 34 left.
Turning left 10 degrees. Getting ready for left turn 34 left. Not a student.
Van Nuys Tower, Grumman 82 Fox, ready to go 34 left for right downwind departure.
Grumman 82 Foxtrot, Van Nuys Tower, runway 34 left, clear for takeoff, wind 310 at 10. Right downwind departure approved, maintain out of below 1,800 till south of the field.
All right, clear to go on the left, 1,800 till south of the field, 882 Fox. Okay, so, you want to turn on the fuel pump? With that.
Listen, Niner Juliet, runway 34
and push this all the way in.
Clear to land, wind 310 at 10.
Okay, now when I'm going to get it rolling down the runway, take your right hand, put it over there, and then when we get to about 60, start to rotate. Okay? Little bit of back pressure.
You're number 2.
Usually you want to just use one hand.
On a 2.5 mile left base.
Okay, roger. Number 2 for 34 left. 6 uniform Sierra.
All right. So, like I said, we're going to just keep it going straight here. When it gets to about 60, which is about now, a little bit of back pressure. The winds are squirrely near the ground. Okay, so now what I'm going to... So keep it, assuming you want to, use one hand, just relax with that hand, and kind of use a loose grip. Now don't do a death grip. And keep the wings level, and keep the nose about the altitude of the top of the mountain.
Okay, roger. Looking for that.
Okay, got it?
Diamond 6 uniform Sierra, roger, number 2, runway 34 left,
right.
land wind 290 at 14.
Clear land number 2, 34 left, 6 uniform Sierra.
Like I said, it's not real smooth today, so it's going to be bouncing around a little bit. So let's go back this way. When we get a little bit further, and then we'll, okay, start a right turn. And you want to keep it going up. Very good. And then when we get over the freeway, we'll go right again and just follow the freeway south. Out. Very good. All right, we want to get about 1,800 feet, so go down a little bit. Okay, and turn again.
Van Nuys Tower, this is Skyhawk 64538.
Okay, follow the freeway.
Romeo, ready for a left crosswind departure.
Try to stay at 1,800 feet.
Skyhawk 64538.
So,
Van Nuys Tower, stand by.
you don't want to be climbing.
Stand by, 538.
And Tower 601 Whiskey Golf is visual 34 left information K back, and we're just passing.
Are you from around here?
Our
group in, that's right, Valencia.
You're number 2 for runway 34 left.
All right, so familiar with the valley?
Somewhat. I don't get down here too much anymore.
Okay. So that's Van Nuys over there. Sherman Oaks, Tarzana, Burbank.
Traffic will be in position prior to arrival.
Roger.
Those are the Hollywood Hills, the Santa Monica Mountains over there. That's the Sepulveda Pass. And then, of course, the LA Basin on the other side over there.
Yeah.
Cessna Niner Juliet, contact ground point 7.
Contact ground 121.7. Niner Juliet.
Okay. Now we can go up to 2,000, which is only another 100 feet or so. So with the big hand up at the 0.
Pass Harmony 58097, New Hall Pass.
58097 Van Nuys Tower, make left traffic runway 34 left here, number 2 following Gate Challenger.
If I can get a frequency change.
34 following the Challenger 097.
Van Nuys Tower 882, frequency change, please.
82 Foxtrot for exchange approved. Good day.
See you soon. Good afternoon again, Burbank Tower. Grumman 882 Foxtrot is 405, 101 for an East 101 transition, please.
Grumman 882 Foxtrot, Burbank Tower, Burbank altimeter 29er, 902, 0266, transition approved.
0266, transition approved, 882 Fox.
Burbank Tower, Sheriff 29, Sheriff.
Okay, so it's all you. Kind of keep it going around. When you get pointed towards the Newhall Pass, or the Cahuenga Pass.
29, Burbank Tower, taxiway
going that
Delta. The Sheriff ramp clears for takeoff, crossing runway 15 northeastbound, and caution wake turbulence for departure regional jet.
On the go from Delta.
Feel comfortable? About that heading. Okay, so if you're not that familiar with the area, obviously that's downtown LA over there.
Yeah.
That's Century City over there. That's Burbank Airport over there. Out that mountain that we're going to go around is Mount Lee. That's where the Hollywood sign is, Griffith Park, and all that stuff.
29 radar contact.
29.
And then on the other side of Mount Lee is Glendale, and the next community over from that is Pasadena. And Bump City. And last flight, it was actually a little better right here. That was same thing. It was a little bumpy right there. So there's a bunch of studios there. Warner Brothers and Burbank Studios, and then that right on this side of Mount Lee is Universal Studios, and City Walk and all that.
Yeah.
So we're going to aim like right, see where Griffith Park Observatory is?
Yeah.
Okay, aim for that. Building down there, but they're doing something big.
Universal?
Yeah.
Yeah, I was there a month ago. They had it all construction going on.
Did you see what it was going to be?
No.
Sheriff 29, radar service terminated, frequency change approved.
Have a good one, ma'am. Sheriff 29.
And Burbank Tower, Grumman 882 Foxtrot. We'd like to just continue around Mount Lee and stay with you.
Grumman 82 Foxtrot approved as requested, and when you transition back to Van Nuys, remain on the south side of the freeway.
Roger that, 882 Fox.
Southwest 1889.
Okay, so downtown LA, Capitol Records Building.
Southwest 1889.
Straight ahead of us is Dodger Stadium and Silver Lake. And then over there, the LA base and LAX. All that kind of good stuff. And of course, the illustrious Hollywood sign, which I find totally amazing that they don't light it up. I think Tinseltown would light it up, but
Yeah.
that blue building down there,
Yeah.
that's a landmark around here just for aviation, position reporting, but that's Scientology. And I didn't notice last flight I did notice, but looks like they had some pretty severe landslides there, erosion.
Oh, yeah.
Right.
Brainstorm did pretty good.
3544, Burbank Tower, runway 8, clear to land, wind 160 at 10.
There's a helicopter down there.
Southwest 3544.
Yeah. Okay.
82 Foxtrot. Traffic off your left appears northeastbound, altitude increase 1,600. They're about a mile south of the zoo.
82 Fox, I have that traffic, but thanks. I don't know where he went. Other side of the hill there.
Southwest 1889, runway 15.
Oh, there he is.
Yeah. Clear for takeoff, runway 15, Southwest 1889.
And Grumman 82 Foxtrot has the fire chopper down at my 9 o'clock.
Grumman 82 Foxtrot, roger.
Okay, so like I said, this is Glendale. That would be Pasadena. Big group of buildings over there.
Where's the Burbank Airport? Okay.
You got it?
Yeah. Burbank Tower, Fire 1 with a transition request.
Fire 1, Burbank Tower, Burbank altimeter 2993.
So, here's Park Golf Course.
Mountain Lee.
I'm not a golfer, but...
1,800 would like to descend down the floor. That's another habit I got.
Oh yeah? I can avoid that one.
Fire 1, radar contact, transition
I
approved.
didn't get hooked on that. I love eating, but I don't have to have soft drinks. I have no desire for soft drinks, so that's good. Alright, keep the turn going around, and we're going to stay on this side of the 101 freeway heading west.
Southwest 1889, contact SoCal departure, good day.
Southwest 1889.
Fire 1, cautionary turbulence for Boeing 737, departed runway 15.
That guy, he was just telling the fire chopper about that guy, 737 departing in.
Okay.
So, almost, the sun's getting lower, so Santa Monica and, like I said, Century City.
Grumman 82 Foxtrot, resume on navigation westbound.
882 Fox, look down the south side. A little smoother now.
Now when you go over these little hills right here, will you feel the air, does it bump up and down, or?
It depends. If it's not a real hot day, and it's not windy, you won't feel it. But on a hot day, the ground heats up at different temperatures, and it reflects back, and that causes bumps.
Southwest 3544, turn right into the ramp, taxi to the gate, remain this frequency.
To the gate, this frequency, Southwest 3544.
Yeah, when it's smooth, I love it when it's smooth. And it's bumpy. So yeah, Burbank Airport is right there.
Radar service terminated, contact Van Nuys helicopter 119.0.
And Fire 1 going to Van Nuys, thanks.
Just contact the advantage information, Quebec.
This is the one.
On the visual to 15.
Surfer 102.
This is the 170 freeway. Oh, yeah. So I forgot to point out the Hollywood Bowl, but it was back there.
Runway 15. Clear to land. Center field wind 130 at 12.
Well, roger that. That 102 will stay at or above 3,000 until establish on final for 105.
Feeling all right? You're doing great. Go that way a little bit. Like I said, kind of parallel the freeway. You don't have to do that bump, but all right, that heading about right there. That's Ventura Boulevard. You can. Oh no, it isn't.
Foxtrot, radar service terminated. Keep the code, contact Van Nuys Tower 120.2.
882 Fox. Now we're in that bumpy area again. And Van Nuys Tower, Grumman 82 Fox is West 101 coming up to Macy's 2100. Negative on the ATIS, inbound for landing.
Cessna 416 Farm, Roger. Beam in Zeno Reservoir for exchange approved. Cherokee 46 Hotel previously called traffic passing off your left, no factor additional traffic ahead and to your right. Half mile low of a helicopter passing below you. Altitude indicates 1,200. Runway 34 left, clear to land.
Van Nuys Tower, Grumman 82 Foxtrot, Macy's negative on the ATIS, inbound for landing.
Talking about when they say about the feel.
Say again?
Talk about the feel of the plane.
Yeah, well, you got it. I don't know why.
Grumman 882 Foxtrot, Van Nuys Tower.
Yeah, 82 Fox, went inbound for landing, negative on the ATIS.
Grumman 882 Foxtrot, Roger. Continuing to right base for runway 34 left, your number 2. Following a Cherokee on a 1.5 mile final. ATIS information, Quebec is current. Wind 330 at 10, gust 16, altimeter 29er, 9er 3, and obviously 34 is our news.
All right, number 2 for 34 left, and the ATIS, well, okay, and the altimeter 29er, 9er 3, you said?
Grumman 82 Foxtrot, affirmative, Van Nuys altimeter 29er, 9er 3.
Thanks. Okay, so what we're doing now, it's been bumpy on final, so I have to fight it on down. But so we're on the base leg. We're looking for somebody ahead of us landing on the left runway, and I do not see him.
Caution 108 Delta Uniform, Van Nuys Tower, Roger. Continue inbound your number 3, following a Grumman on the 2.5 mile final.
Right, we're going to turn final in a minute. I'll start heading it over.
1865 Van Nuys Tower, turn southbound and continue southbound to the Warner Center, then enter left base for runway 34 left.
And Van Nuys Tower, 882 Fox, I don't have my traffic.
Foxtrot, traffic's rolling out over the runway. Runway 34 left, clear to land, wind 300 at 12.
Clear to land on the left, 882 Fox. All right.
Grumman 82 Foxtrot, would you prefer the right runway?
Negative, I'll take the left, please. Okay, I turned on the fuel pump and I put in the mixture.
Cherokee 46 Hotel, contact ground 121.
And now we'll try to fight the bucking bronco on the way down.
I remember taking a 12-seater into Detroit one time, and landing was not fun. Landed it on one wheel, and then once we hit that, he slammed the other side down.
Yeah.
Gulfstream 8 Delta Uniform, number 2, following a Grumman on a 1 mile final, runway 34 left, clear to land, wind 330 at 10, gust 16.
30. Landing is the challenging part.
November 107 Bravo Kilo Van Nuys Tower, Roger. Make straight in for runway 34 right. Plug 0240, traffic ahead and to your left, 2.5 miles and a left base for the parallels of Gulfstream. Foxtrot. Exit at the high speeds, contact ground point 7 today.
82 Fox, thank you. Well? You all right?
Yeah.
Okay. Van Nuys ground, Grumman 82 Fox is off of 34 left at Mike, taxi to northwest corner.
82 Fox, Van Nuys ground, taxi northwest corner via Alpha.
Northwest corner via Alpha, 82 Fox. Hey, it's hot. All right, well, like I said, the landing, it's weird weather, but when you were flying around up there, you seemed like you had the feel for it.
Yeah, it felt a little bumpy, I know.
Yeah, well, that's just the way the weather is today.
Yeah.
Yes, so 1 to the second, Van Nuys clearance, stand by 1.
Yeah, there's some really, really nice... Oh, I just landed. Hear him behind.
Tower 701 Julie Tango. Van Nuys clearance clear to Teterboro Airport via the Hayes 4 departure.
Wonder where he's going to go.
Transition. As mild. Climb via the city
this way or
maintain
that?
6,000.
Oh,
SoCal departure frequency 134, correction, 120.4. Squawk 1004.
Those are the T6s. Those are World War II secondary trainers. They're real rugged. I've been in one once. Kind of.
Departure 1 Julie Tango, read back is correct.
Questions?
Sound, afternoon, goes from 108 Delta Uniform going to Signature East.
Somebody
Departure
come
1
back?
Delta Uniform Van Nuys ground, taxi 3 Bravo, good day.
Signature East.
If I started lessons, how long would it take? I know it would be how much time I want to put into it.
Yeah, absolutely. Now, the best, when I did it, I think I went twice a week. I think that's probably, I did not have a ton of money, so twice a week is pretty much all I could afford. There was those other people that were there, they did an immersion class, and so if you've got the money and you really want to learn, they're in like a full-time 2 weeks and he's done.